Hi, good morning everybody. Today, time to harvest our tomato at the backyard. So even if in the drought, we still have plenty to be harvested. Not few, not a lot, but better than nothing. So let's go there, guys. Okay, I'm here now at the backyard. See our tomato here. So many. Time to harvest. Nice. This one is not ready yet. Yeah. See? Okay. And here. And I want to get this one. And wow. See that? You should see. Here. Good size. More. And here. That's it. Not a lot. See? Good size. So this is my tomato here. And have here. And here. And more here. Yummy tomato. And here, guys. Here. More here. Yay! I have so many tomato here. Happy. And I'm not sure if starting here. Oh yeah. Flowering. There's flower. And let's check here. Oh yeah. Flower. Flower. Flower too. So here, all kinds of flower. So we're gonna have not a lot tomato, but at least we have. But this is good for our consumption. So you don't need to buy anymore. We don't need to buy anymore rather in the market. This is fresh and natural growing. And some of it is a sucker. You need to buy seeds in the market. So it's safe. So let's walk here, guys. from I am so happy with my tomato. So red. Hi guys, I'm not done yet here walking on my garden. I have something to show you. Sorry for the sun. Sun so bright again. I wanna show you here my tomato sucker. See my tomato here? They're doing good. More flowers. All have flowers. Every pots have flowers. Then have tomato here. Then here. Still have here. Oh, that's the tomato. These are all my sucker tomatoes. And they're doing good. We are happy for that. As well as with my pechay. They survive. Without any running water. I just use my laundry water and then the water from the kitchen. And that's all they got. So every morning I just water them few drops of water. Then now I see. I believe that if you work so hard, you can have a lot of fruit you're gonna harvest. But if you don't work so hard, nothing. So I work really hard on my garden, guys, because we want Philip have a natural growing in our garden, and trying to prepare if in case we can't buy in the market. So I think this is a good example to everybody. So especially to those who have a constant running water, you can plant, guys, all you want. All you have to do is to give more time and effort so you can have a fresh visible garden on your table. So here we don't use a fertilizer, no spray, nothing, but only a natural growth from Philip compost. So I am so glad that Philip is doing the compost. That's 100% fertilizer. So 1,000, I believe 1,000%. So